Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to forward GIFs from chat on Instagram. Whether you're sharing a funny moment or a reaction GIF, this updated method makes it simple. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. The app is your gateway to connecting with friends and sharing those delightful GIFs. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It resembles a paper airplane. Tap on it to access your direct messages. This will take you to all your conversations where you can find the GIF you want to share. Now, locate the chat that contains the GIF you wish to forward. Once you've opened that chat, scroll through until you find the animated gem you want to send to someone else. When you've found the GIF, click and hold on it. This action will prompt a menu to appear with options for what you can do next. Among these options, select Forward. This feature allows you to easily share the GIF without having to search for it again. After tapping Forward, you'll be prompted to choose the recipients for your forwarded GIF. You can select one or multiple friends from your contact list. Once you've made your selections, simply click Send. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly share GIFs with friends on Instagram, adding a fun twist to your conversations. Remember, GIFs are a great way to express emotions and reactions, so don't hesitate to use them often. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and start forwarding those GIFs and keep the fun going in your chats.